Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about Eamcet TS 2020 session 1, session 2 questions we are discussing in this. Let us have a discussion the question here. If the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2 of 3 plus root 7 into y plus 8 plus 6 root 7 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus k square equal to 0 have exactly two common tangents, then the number of possible values of k. Here in the competitive exams have exactly two common tangents. For what relative position of two circles it will come? When the two circles are intersecting in two distinct points, then we have only two possible common tangents. So according to this, the figure will come like this. Whenever the figure will come like this, the condition is R1 minus R2 is less than C1 C2 is less than R1 plus R2, dear students. So what is C1 C2? C1 is first circle center, C2 is second circle center. So C1 is equal to first circle center 1 comma 3 plus root 7 minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. Second circle center 4 comma 3. First circle radius R1 equal to root over g square plus f square. So 1 plus a plus b whole square formula I am applying here. 9 plus 7 plus 6 root 7 minus c. For the first circle c is minus 8 minus 6 root 7, dear students. So these two will be cancelled. Root over 10 plus 7 18. Otherwise minus 8 plus 8 cancel root 9, which is equal to 3. So R1 value 3. R2 value also calculate root over 4 square plus 3 square 16 plus 9 minus c means what? K square. So which is equal to root of 25 minus k square. Now calculate distance between them also. C1 C2 root over 4 minus 1 whole square 3 square 9 3 minus 3 minus root 7, so plus root 7 whole square. Root of 4 minus 1 whole square is 9. 3 minus root 7 whole square is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Root 16 is equal to 4. So substitute the respective values here. C1 R1 value is 3 minus R2 value is root 25 minus k square is less than C1 C2 is 4 is less than R1 plus R2. So 3 plus root 25 minus k square. Observe, dear students, from these two, if we take like this, 3 minus root 25 minus k square is less than 4. That 4 we can take this side. 3 minus 4, this value I am taking this is root over 24 minus k square. So minus 1 is less than root of k 25 minus k square. If we take the values of k equal to 0 onwards, minus 1 is less than 5. Like this and so on will come. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4. Even plus or minus 5 also possible. So here plus or minus 5, minus 1 is less than 0 plus or minus 5. For these values it will be possible minus 1. Suppose 0 if you substitute minus 1 is less than 5. But if we consider minus 5, minus 1 is less than minus 5 is not correct. And plus or minus 2 if we take 2, 25 minus 2 square means 4. 25 minus 4 is root 21. Minus 1 is less than root 21. But even minus 2 whole square also okay. But here if we take 0 plus or minus 5 in this one value, it is not possible. So come to another values are possible. not only this case, if we take like this also, 4 is less than 3 plus root 25 minus k square. 3 we can take this at 4 minus 3 is less than root 25 minus k square. So 1 is less than root 25 minus k square. Once you check that values of k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, plus or minus 1 also you can check. Even here also k is equal to 0 if you take, 1 is less than 0. If here 5, k is equal to 0 if you take, plus or minus 5 will come. Only plus or minus 5. But 1 is less than 5 is okay. Minus 5 is not correct. So only 1 is less than 5. Here only one value. 1 is less than, or remaining values also. Here k is only 0, k is only, plus 5 is not possible. Minus 5 is not worked out. And k is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 also it will be 1 only. So 1 is less than root 21 will come. 1 if we substitute. So root 24. So 1 is less than root k is equal to 2 if you take. So how many values we are getting now? Here 2 to 10 plus 1, 11 values we are getting, dear students. 11 values. We'll move on to the next question. Yeah, dear students, here one more important thing. From this inequality, we can write like this now. 1 is less than root 25 minus k square. Squaring on both sides, if you do that, 1 is less than 25 minus k square. Minus k square, you can take this at plus k square is less than 25 minus 1. K square is less than. This possibility is also there, dear students. We cannot forget. So here it is not there, possibility. Why? Because here minus 1, k values if you take like this, these are the possibilities. I think 11 is not correct answer. So I will go to another option. If you go like this here, difficulties we are getting. One value we are getting, one value we are not getting. K is equal to 0, only possible like this. If we come to this inequality, if we take k is equal to 0, absolutely 0 is less than 24. Next, plus or minus 1 also less than 24. Plus or minus 2 also less than 24. Plus or minus 3 also less than, plus or minus 4 also less than or equal to 24. If we take 5 or minus 5, 25 is not less than 24, or minus 5 whole square, there is also 25. So it is not worked out. So what are the other possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here double values of 4. That means 8 plus 1. So 9. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values are there. So the right answer is option C, dear students. Only from this inequality you can take it. K square is less than 24. This inequality will work out for these values only. K is equal to 0, k is equal to plus or minus 1, k is equal to plus or minus 2, k is equal to plus or minus 3, and k is equal to plus or minus 4. If you take 5, it is not possible. That is the reason 11 is not correct, 9 is the right answer. We'll move on to the next question. The next question. If the polar of a point P with respect to the circle of radius R, which touches the coordinate axis and lies in the quadrant 1, is x plus 2y equal to 4R, then the point P is. See here, touches both the coordinate axis in the quadrant 1, they are saying. Na? So according to that, you draw the figure. X-axis, y-axis. Whenever the circle touches both the coordinate axis, so the radius also they mentioned that R, whenever touching both the coordinate axis, G and F values are the same. That means from here to here it is the absolute radius, even from here to here is also radius. So the center of the circle is also radius, R comma R. So this is A, this is B. So the equation of circle we can write it now. One point you have to take in the first quadrant x1, y1, then point is P here. This is called the polar equation. The polar equation is given the polar of P. So first circle equation I am writing. X minus R whole square plus y minus R whole square equal to R square. Sir, how you are writing, sir, the circle? Center H comma K, radius R means what? X minus H whole square plus y minus K whole square equal to R square. Na? H comma k values are r comma r. So expand x square plus r square minus 2xr plus y square plus r square minus 2yr is equal to r square. Both sides r square get cancelled. And write the circle equation x square plus y square minus 2xr minus 2yr plus r square is equal to 0. Which is the equation of circle. So polar equation at x1 comma y1. So the polar equation, the polar of P with respect to S is equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. Everyone knows that. This is S is equal to 0 dear students. So S1 equal to 0 formula, x1 according to this I am writing, y1 minus G value is R here, R into x plus x1 minus R into y plus y1 minus plus R square equal to 0. This equation you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c. First simplify xx1 plus yy1 minus rx minus rx1 minus ry minus ry1 plus r squared equal to 0. From these two x take common, from these two y take common. So x1 minus r is into x. From these two x I am taking common. Next from these two y1 minus r into y. The rest of the terms are there, no, minus rx1 minus ry1 plus r square. So you can write it as r square minus rx1 minus ry1 is equal to 0. This equation is the polar equation. It is compared with this equation, dear students. So I am writing this equation is x plus 2y. That for r I am taking this side minus r is equal to 0. Now these two lines, equation 1, equation 2, this is also polar equation, this is also polar equation. Whenever the equations are representing same, their x coefficients are in proportional, their y coefficients are in proportional. 1 and 2 representing same, so their x coefficients are in proportional, x1 minus r by 1, y coefficients are in proportional, y1 minus r by 2. Here constants are also proportional, r squared minus rx1 minus ry1 by minus 4r. R take common, x1 minus r by 1, y1 minus r by 2, r into r minus x1 minus y1 by r into minus 4. Now it will come answer, dear students. This is equal to some k if we take, equating these two, equating these two, equating these three. So x1 minus r is equal to k, that implies x1 is equal to k plus r. Next y1 minus r is equal to 2k, y1 is equal to 2k plus r. Next r minus x1 minus y1 is equal to minus 4k. x1 y1 value substitute here, r minus k minus r minus 2k minus r is equal to minus 4k. Minus r plus r get cancelled. So minus r minus 3k is equal to minus 4k. So minus r is equal to minus 4k plus 3k. Minus r is equal to minus k. R is equal to k. So r is equal to k means x1 value what? x1 is equal to k value r. R plus r. 2r, that is x1 value. What about y value? y1 is equal to 2 into r plus r, 3r. So y1 value. Therefore, the pole p of x1 y1 is equal to p of 2r comma 3r. That is the required pole, dear students. 2r comma 3r, it is there in the third option. We will move on to the next question. The next question. The circle S equal to 0 cuts the circles C1 equal to 0 and C2 equal to 0 orthogonally. If the common chord of S equal to 0 and SC1 equal to 0 is this equation, then the center of the circle is. So this S is equal to 0 I am taking as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 equation. This circle and C1 cuts orthogonally here, orthogonal condition. These two equations are orthogonal, these two equations are also orthogonal. Orthogonal condition is what? 2z g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash is the condition for orthogonality condition. So in this 2z only, g dash from C1 equation, compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equal to 0. G dash equal to minus 4. So 2z into minus 4, 2f into minus 1, c only, c dash value plus 16. So minus 8g minus 2f equal to c plus 16. Put that equation number 1. This equation and second equation is also, C2 equation is also orthogonal. So 2z into g dash value from here minus 1, minus 2z dash equal to minus 4, minus 2 will come. Next 2f into f dash value minus 2 will come here also. So c minus 1, c dash value minus 1. So if you simplify this, minus 4g minus 4f equal to c minus 1. Equation number 2. After that, what we have to do is, and one more condition, the common chord of S equal to 0 and C1 equal to 0. That means this equation minus this equation we have to do. Common chord of S equal to 0 and C1 equal to 0 is S minus C1 equal to 0. So observe carefully. X square anyway cancel. So 2gx minus 8x. So 2gx minus x means x take common. 2z minus 8. Next 2fy minus 2y. So y 2f minus 2. 2fy minus 2y. Next c minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the common chord. This common chord equation is given as what? 2x plus 13y. 2x plus 13y minus 15 equal to 0. See here, minus 15 equal to 0 is given. These two equations, equation 3, equation 4, representing same lines. Whenever the lines are representing same, in the previous question we discussed, their x coefficients are in proportional, their y coefficients are in proportional, their constants also proportional. So now, here x coefficient is what? 2z minus 8 by 2, 2f minus 2 by 13 is equal to c minus 16 by 15, minus 15. Okay. Equating these two, we will. So this is also some k, you can assume that. So 2z minus 8 by 2 is equal to k. So that implies from here, so 2z equal to 2k minus 8, you can take that plus 8. So that implies g is equal to k plus 4. We'll see what happens next. Next, 2f minus 2 by 13 is equal to k. So 2f is equal to 13k plus 2. So f equal to 13 by 2k plus 1. So gf value only they are asking. We need to calculate k value. Equating these two. So c minus 16 is equal to minus 15k. So c is equal to 16 minus 15k. So now C value substitute in equation 2 or equation 1 also. Better to substitute C value in equation 2. GFC values to get K value. 2F is there or 2F is there here. Directly we can substitute. So GFC values substitute in 2. Small equation is this one only. So minus 4 into G value, K plus 4, minus 4 into F value, 13 by 2K plus 1 is equal to C. C value is what? 16 minus 15K minus 1. Now 2 ones, okay, next step will do. Minus 4K minus 16, here 2 2s are, so minus 26K minus 4 is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 15K plus 1 equal to 0. So now simplify this, students. Minus 4K minus minus 30. Minus 30K plus 15K minus 15K. So minus 16 minus 32. Minus 32 plus 4. Minus 32 minus 4. Minus 36. Minus 36 plus 1. Minus 35. So minus 15K is equal to plus 35. K is equal to 5 table. 5 7s are 5 3s are. So minus 7 by 3. 5 3s are 5 7s are. So K value substitute in this. G value equal to minus 7 by 3 plus 4. So minus 7 plus 12 divided by 3. So 5 by 3 will come G value. Their option 5 by 3. So option is that we'll see what happens. Once you check the students, here minus 4 into G value K plus 4. Here 2 dividing by 2 now. Here it is 1. 13 by 2. 13K plus 2, correct? Dividing by 2 means okay. Minus 4 into 13 by 2K plus 1. 2 to the 13 to the 26K minus 4. 16 minus minus 16 plus K plus 1. I think here only it will be. Once you check this. Minus 30K minus 20 or minus 16 plus 15K plus 1 equal to 0. Correct only. So minus 15K, this is minus 36, and minus 35. So minus 15K is equal to 35. K is equal to minus 35 by 15. 5 7s, 5 3s. There is no alternate for this now. So K value. So at least F value will see that F is equal to 13 by 2 into minus 7 by 3 plus 1 LCM 6 91 plus 6. There's more values we are getting, minus 85 by 6. Even that is also not the center. The big values. Once you see that, we'll check it, dear students. Yeah, dear students, here in the common card only we did mistake. We did not see that we are doing that. This equation minus this equation means minus or minus plus will come now here. This will be okay. So in this step we are getting. So automatically it will change. This is okay, everything. Here it will become plus, here it will become plus. From this it will changes. 2K minus 8 will come. Even here also minus. Okay. Even here it is plus, means 13k minus 2 will come. So it is minus 1. Based on that it will change. So based on these values it will come as changes. So GFC value substitute in equation 1. Why? Because from 2 days I am suffering from fever. Because of most of the students are requesting to make the video, means I am doing, otherwise I won't. Still I want to take rest. So GFC values, because of their request only I am making the videos. GFC value substitute in equation 2. Minus 4 into k minus 4. Next, minus 4 into 13 by 2 into k minus 1 is equal to c minus 1. So minus 4k plus 16, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So minus 26k plus 4 is equal to c value 16 minus 15k minus 1. Both sides 16 will be cancelled. Minus 4k minus 26k minus 30k and plus 4 plus 15k plus 1 equal to 0. So from these two, minus 15k plus 5 equal to 0. That implies 5 equal to 15k. So k equal to 5 by 15. So that implies k is equal to 1 by 3. 5 ones are, 5 3s are. Now this k value substitute in this. So g equal to k value 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus 4 minus 12 1 minus 11 by 3. F is equal to 13 by 2 into k value 1 by 3 minus 1. So 6 LCM. 13 minus 6. So 7 by 6. But center they are asking. Center of this circle. So minus z minus f is the center na. So minus of minus 11 by 3 comma minus 7 by 6. So 11 by 3 minus 7 by 6, which is there in the second option. Dear students, you can adjust for these two videos. Why? Because I am not feeling well. Still I am doing for your request. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, the next question. Options, big options are there, students. That is the reason I am not writing. The equation of circle passing through the point of intersection of two orthogonal circles. Condition applied. These two circles are orthogonal. Orthogonal means 2g dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. So the second circle is not in the general form. It is not in the general form. So first circle is x square plus y square plus kx minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So here g equal to k by 2, 2z equal to 2f equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 2, 2f equal to minus 4, f equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 1. Second circle dividing by 3 I am doing this directly. X square plus y square minus 14 by 3x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 15 by 3 means 5 will come. 15 by 3, 3 by 3 by 0. So here g dash equal to minus 14 by 3 by 2. So minus 7 by 3 will come. So f dash equal to 23 by 3 by 2. So 23 by 6. C dash equal to minus 5. So apply the condition, orthogonality condition. 2z dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. So 2 into g value k by 2 minus 7 by 3 plus 2 into f value minus 2, f dash value 23 by 6 is equal to c plus c dash minus 1 minus 5. So in this both LCM is same, minus 14k by 6. Here also minus 6 LCM, 23 into 4, 72. 23 into 4, 92. So which is equal to minus 6. So minus 14k minus 92 is equal to minus 36. Here 6 take LCM and we can take this. 6 6 is 36, already minus is there now. So minus 14k is equal to 92 minus 36. So 92 minus 36. So what value will come? 15, 6 minus 14k equal to k equal to 4, 14. So k value minus 4 will be done. K value minus 4. So whenever k value is minus 4, this equation will become so passing through point of intersection. Sorry dear students. S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. S1 is what? X square plus y square. K value minus 4 we got it. Minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 plus lambda into x2. So if you write this equation in the general form, this equation will come up x square plus y square minus 14 by 3x plus 23 by 3 into y minus 5 equal to 0. This equation is passing through minus 1 comma minus 1. Here they mentioned. So in place of x and y, substitute minus 1 minus 1. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 plus 14 by 3 minus 23 by 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 4 plus 1 is 9 plus lambda into 23. 14 by 3 minus 23 by 3 means minus 9 by 3. So minus 9 by 3 means what? Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2. So minus 8 plus 2 means minus 6. So 9 is equal to 6 lambda. That implies lambda is equal to 9 by 6. 3 by 2. 3 3s are 3 2s are. Right. Lambda equal to 3 by 2. Substitute in this equation and simplify. So now x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 plus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 14x plus 23y by 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So completely this equation multiplying by 2. 2 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1. Each and every term multiplying by 3. 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus plus 23y minus 15 equal to 0. 2x square plus 5x square. So plus 5y square minus 8x minus 4 minus 22x minus 8y plus 23. So 15 plus 15y minus 8 plus 23. So minus 2 minus 15 minus 17. So which is the required equation of circle passing through minus 1 comma minus 1. Once you check that whether it is correct or not, minus 1 whether it is acceptable or not. 5 plus 5 plus 22 minus 15 minus 17. 22 plus 10 32 minus 32. Acceptable. Correct answer. No need to verify. Even options also not there. No, we need whether it is satisfying with minus 1 satisfying here. So in among the 4 options, which option is there? This one. That is the right answer, students. We'll move on to the next question. Two points from the set of concyclic points of the circle passing through 3 points is given and another point. Concyclic points means the points which are lying on the same circle are called concyclic. So 2 points from the set of concyclic points. So set of concyclic points are there. Among that 2 points they are asking in these options. So we need to calculate equation of circle passing through the given points. Here the points are available now. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So how to find out when 3 points is given? General equation of circle you can consider and passing through these 3 points, solving equation. It is there, we know that method. Instead of that, the equation of circle passing through these 3 points, we can consider as a determinant form, which is there in your Telugu Academy textbook once you go through, dear students. In the first row, x square plus y square. In the second row, xy. Sorry, second column. Third column, y. Constant is 1. Fourth column. In the next row, this is the first row, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. In place of x comma y, substitute first point. So 1 comma 1, substitute 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Second point, substitute in place of x comma y. So 2 minus 1. So 2 square is 4. 4 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. X value 2, y value minus 1 and 1. Next 3 square plus 2 square, 9 plus 4, 13. Next x value 3, y value 2 and 1. So after that how to do? Here 4 by 4 matrix is there, determinant is there. How to expand this? Simple, it's a very easy way. This is R2, this is R3, this is R1. R1 tends to R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. R2 tends to among these ones, I want to get one value. So R1 tends to R2 minus R1. Yeah. Better to substitute R1 minus R2. Next, R2 tends to here I want to get an equation. Yes, I will. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. Next, R3 tends to R3 minus R4. So if you do like this, so what happens after operating this one? R1 x square plus y square, R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2, minus 2. Next, x minus 1, y minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So R4 we are not disturbing, like this only you can keep it. R4 as it is, we are not operating. So R2 tends to R2 minus R3, 2 minus 5, 1 minus 2, 1 minus of minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3 now. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Next R3 is over, R3. 5 minus 13, minus 8. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Next R4 as it is we are writing here, students. 13, 3, 2, 1. Expand along with column 4. Expand along with column 4. That means 1 into this determinant. It leads to, so determinant of expand along with column 4. Expand along column 4, C4. So x square plus y square minus 2, x minus 1, y minus 1. So here this minus 3, minus 1, 2. In this determinant all are minus, now we can cancel. 8, 1, 3 also we can write equal to 0. Minus I am taking from this row and we can take this row. So normal plus minus plus. So x square plus y square minus 2 into AD minus 3 minus 2, now minus 5. Next, minus of x minus 1 into minus 9 minus 16. So minus 9 minus 16 minus 25. Next, plus y minus 1 into minus 3 plus 8. So plus 5 equal to 0. So multiplying by minus 5x square minus 5y square plus 10 minus plus 25x minus 25 plus 5 minus 5 5y. So dividing by minus 5x square minus 5y square plus 25x plus 5y minus 25 minus 5 minus 30 plus 10 minus 20 dividing by minus 5 x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the circle. Among these points, whichever the point is satisfying the circle, that is the right answer. So one by one we can substitute, and second point is going to satisfy the students. B option is going to satisfy this. In place of x and y, substitute these points. This is x value, this is y value. This is x value, this is y value. Substitute and simplify whichever the option is. So why? Because less time is there, I want to explain more questions now. So B point substitute in this, we will get the answer. We will move on to the next question. The next question. If the origin lies on the diameter of the circle, then the equation of the circle passing through the end points of the diameter and the point 1, 2. So this is the circle I am taking, dear students. For this we require the diagram. So this is the circle equation. What is the center of the circle? 2, 1 clearly. So center 2, 1. This is the diameter of the circle only, no? This is the equation of diagram. The origin lies on the diameter. Somewhere I am taking here. So here, this is the origin. So this line we can calculate now. This line diameter equation we can calculate now. 2 points are there. We can find out diameter equation of line. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Y minus 0 equal to y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 0 by 2 minus 0 into x minus 0. So y is equal to x by 2. So that implies x is equal to 2y. X minus 2y equal to 0. This is a line diameter equation. And this is the circle equation. This is the line equation. Which are intersecting here only, no? Which are intersecting. Then the equation of circle passing through the end points. Passing through the end points means these two. And also 1 by 2. 1, 2. This is the another circle. S plus lambda L is equal to 0. Passing through 1, 2. So S is, I am taking here, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 4 plus lambda into x minus 2y. So L value we got it, dear students, here. So this equation is 1 passing through 1, 2. Equation 1 passes through 1, 2. In place of x1, in place of y2, 1 plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus lambda into 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Minus 7 is equal to 3 lambda. That implies lambda equal to minus 7 by 3. So this we can substitute in this. We can get the required equation of Diagram is very important, dear students. Even Ranjit also, they asked, sir, like, please try to draw the figure according to the question. So that's why maximum I am trying to draw the figures according to the question. So lambda value minus 7 by 3, substitute in equation 1. So you will get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 into x minus 2y equal to 0. 3 times of this one, 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x minus 6y minus 12 minus 7x plus 14y. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 19x plus 8y minus 12 equal to 0, which is there in the second option, dear students. Like these questions are there in the system of circles if you observe clearly in the IPE textbook. So if you are perfect in IPE concepts, you are able to attempt the questions in Eamcet, TS or AP. Here the next question. If alpha is not equal to minus 4 and 2 comma alpha is the midpoint of chords of the circle x squared, then the values of y-intercept that the chord lies in the interval. So question is clear. This point is midpoint of chord. So this is the circle equation. Circle. This is the chord. Midpoint of chord means this point. Midpoint of chord is given as what? 2 comma alpha only, no? This is x1, y1. S is equal to 0 circle. By observing this point P is inside the circle only, no? Of course it is midpoint of chord, but the point is inside the circle. When the point is inside the circle, S11 is less than 0, dear students. When the point, midpoint of chord, so P of 2 comma alpha is inside the circle, is inside the circle. Of course it is midpoint of chord. Obviously midpoint of chord is obviously inside the circle. S11 means in place of xy, x1, y1. x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 8y1 plus 6 is less than 0. In place of x and y, substitute 2 comma alpha. 4 plus alpha square minus 4 into 2, 8 plus 8 alpha plus 6 is less than 0. So alpha square plus 8 alpha, 10 minus 8 plus 2 is less than 0. So first factorization we will do. Factorization is not possible here. Minus b plus or minus. Alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So a value 1, b value 8, c value 2. So minus b means minus 8 plus or minus root of b square, 64 minus 4 into 1 into 2 by 2. So minus 8 plus or minus root 64 minus 8 is 56 by 2. 56 can be written as 14 fours are. So 4 we can take outside. Minus 8 plus or minus 2 root 14 by 2. So 2 take common and cancel. Minus 4 plus or minus root 14 alpha value. So now what I am doing is, this value is less than 0 they are saying now. So we can write it as alpha minus of this value. Minus 4 plus or minus root 14 is less than 0. This we can write two possibilities here. One is minus 4 plus root 14. Another one is minus 4 root minus 14. Among these two, which one is less? This is less. So it is in this we can write it as two cases. Alpha minus 4 minus root 14 into alpha minus 4 plus root 14 is less than 0. Here we have one formula. X minus alpha into x minus beta is less than 0. When alpha is less than beta, x belongs to alpha comma beta only, no? one of the domain formulas. So alpha minus this value into alpha minus this value is less than 0. Alpha belongs to minus 4 minus root 14 comma minus 4 plus root 14. So which is there in the which option? First option only. I hope you understand this, students. You learn that properties of this in the function domain and range that we can apply. The next question. If C1, C2 are the external and internal center of similitude of the circles, if the radius of the circle having C1, C2 as its diameter, then 9 by 2 are equal to. So here the concept is we need to calculate internal and external center of similitudes, and C1, C2 distance between their centers is equal to diameter of the circle. So 2r. So first what we are need to do is C1, C2 calculate. C1 is equal to first circle center. So 1 comma minus 2. So R1 also calculate root of 1 plus 4 minus 1. So R1 value 2, dear students. Come to the second circle, you only see that what is the second circle center from this? Minus 2 comma 3. R2 is equal to root over 4 plus 9 minus 12. So 1 will come. Okay. C1, C2 distance between them also calculate. Root over 1 minus of minus 2 whole square 9. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 25. Root 34. Leave it like this. Next, first external center of similitude, ECS. So not this one, C1, C2 are the external center. They are the center of the circle. ECS, distance between this value is not required, sorry. This is center of a circle. Center of equation 1. Center of equation 2. 1, 2. Not this distance, dear students. ECS calculate. ECS means what? R1x2 minus R2x1 by R1 minus R2. R1y2 minus R2y1 by R1 minus R2. So, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, r1, r2 values are there. R1 is equal to what? 2 into x2 value minus 2 minus r2 value 1. X1 value 1 by R1 minus R2, 2 minus 1. Okay. R1, Y2. R1 is 2. Y2. Y2 value is 3. Minus R2 value 1. Y1 value is minus 2. By 2 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 by 1. 6 minus of minus 2. 6 plus 2 by 1. So minus 5 comma 8. This is C1, dear students. This is the center of circles. External center of similitude is C1. And next what you have to do is C2 also calculate, that is internal center of similitude is ICS. R1x2 plus R2x1 by R1 plus R2. R1y2 plus R2y1 by R1 plus R2. Same formula but plus. Just change the values. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 by 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 3. 6 minus 2. 4 by 3. So minus 1 comma 4 by 3. This is C2. So now C1, C2 distance between them, dear students. Minus 5 minus of minus 1. So 16 plus 8 minus 4 by 3 whole square. So root over 16. 8 3s are 24. Mm. 24 minus 2400 divided by 9. So root over 16, 144 plus 400 divided by 9. Root 5 544 by 3. 544 means 4 table we can. Even this is also we can write it now. Again 4 take common, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are no. So 16 means 4 we can take outside, 4 root 34 by 3. This is C1, C2 value, dear students. Keep it like this. And I am coming to here. C1, C2 is given condition is what? 2 radius, no? 2 times of radius. C1, C2 value is what? 4 by 3 root 34 is equal to 2 times of R. So R makes subject. R is equal to the 2 we can take this side. So 2 ones, 2 2s. So 2 by 3 into root 34. So therefore they are asking 9 by 2 R is equal to 9 by 2 into R value. We got it now here. 2 by 3 root 34. So 2 get cancelled. 3 ones, 3 3s. So 3 root 34 is the value of 9 by 2 R, dear students. So 9 by 2 R, that is 3 root 34. 3 root 34 it is there in the fourth option. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. So little tricky questions. Don't find that C1, C2 means distance between their centers, dear students. If you take like this, the different answer will come. Even that answer also here they provided. So don't go for like this. ECS is, they are assuming that C1, and ICS they are assuming as C2. So after getting the values, you can find out the distance and equate it. The next question. Suppose the circle S is equal to 0, general equation of circle, cuts orthogonally these circles. First, you have to complete the procedure of orthogonality of these two. So this is equation 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 orthogonal. So 2g into g dash from here is minus 2 plus 2f into minus 3 equal to c plus 11. So minus 4g minus 6f equal to c plus 11. Keep that equation number 4. Next 1 and 3 orthogonal. This is 1 and 2, dear students. Next 1 and 3 orthogonal. 2g into g dash minus 5 plus 2f into minus 2 equal to c plus 21. So minus 10g minus 4f equal to c plus 21. After that, we have to eliminate c value from these two, solving 4 and 5. So minus 4g minus 6f equal to c plus 11 minus 10g minus 4f equal to c plus 21. If you take minus, here plus, here plus, here minus, these two will be cancelled. 10g minus 4g is 6g minus 2f equal to minus 21 plus 11 is minus 10. So minus 10 dividing by 2. So 3g minus f equal to minus 5. So dividing by 2 I did, dear students, here. Later on, one important result is given. If the center of S equal to 0 lies on the bisector of angle between the positive coordinate axis. So these are the coordinate axis, that also positive coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. The center of S equal to 0 lies on bisector of these two axes is this one. This is the bisector of the angle between the two. Bisector of angle. That means y is equal to x line, it is passing through the origin obviously. Y is equal to x means the center lies on this. Whenever center lies on this, minus g equal to minus f only, no? So that means what? G is equal to f. So G is equal to F, substitute in this. Since Z is equal to F, so 3Z minus G equal to minus 5. So 2Z equal to minus 5. G is equal to minus 5 by 2. So therefore, G value, F value minus 5 by 2. We got it. C value is required now here. So from fourth equation, equation 4 implies that equation 4 implies that minus 4G, whenever G and F are equal, this is minus 10F will come, no? Minus 10G means 10 into 5 is 5 by 2. Minus 4G minus 6F. So G, F values are equal means it will become minus 10 G I am writing, or minus 5 by 2 equal to C plus 11. So 2 ones, 2 5s, minus minus plus 25 equal to C plus 11. So C is equal to 25 minus 11, C is equal to 1, 4, that means 14. So now they are asking to find 2G and 2F. Here cross multiply, if you do that, 2Z equal to 2F equal to minus 5, dear students. So therefore they are asking 2Z plus 2F plus C equal to 2Z value minus 5, 2F value minus 5, C value 14. So minus 5 minus 10 plus 14, which is equal to 4. So which is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. This is very important. The center of the circle lies on bisector of angle between the positive coordinate axis. These are the positive coordinates. Center will be here. So minus Z minus F. Both are equal, they are saying. Y is equal to X line, bisector line, positive coordinates. Suppose if it is like this, Y is equal to minus X will come. But they mentioned here only, Y is equal to X. So minus Z minus F is the center of this circle now. So both are equal, they are saying. We'll move on to the next question, last question, dear students. I already fed up with this fever. The next question is, students, here. If the circles S1 x squared plus y squared equal to 16, first circle, intersects another circle S2 equal to S2 of circle whose radius is 5, such that the common chord is of maximum length and slope 3 by 4, then the center of the circle S2 is, options are available. If the circle S1, first circle is x square plus y square equal to 16, that can be written as 4 square now, whose circle center is C1 equal to 0, 0. Second circle center they did not given, I am taking here h, k. So h, k center, radius R2 is equal to 5 is given. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, R2 square. So one circle is intersecting another circle. So the figure will come like this, dear students. This is S1 equal to 0 circle. Center is what? 0, 0. C1. This circle intersecting another circle whose center is C2. We don't know that h, k. The radius of this circle is 5 units, they mentioned. So the common chord is of maximum length 4, they said. The common chord. This is line joining of their centers. So the radius of 5 units is the second circle radius. This is R2 is equal to 5. R1 is equal to 4. 4, 5 is there, means distance between them by right angle triangle, it will be Pythagorean triples. C1, C2 distance is equal to 3 units. Calculate. So this is common chord AB length. This length is 4 units also they are saying. But this slope also, slope is given now. Slope M is equal to 3 by 4. This AB is perpendicular to C1, C2, line joining of their centers. So, slope of C1, C2 minus 4 by 3 only, no? line joining of C1, C2 slope. Sir, why sir you are calculating slope of C1, C2? The doubt will arise. This type of question is there in your textbook, dear students. Root 13 problem. But that case is touching, here intersecting. That is the difference. Slope of C1, C2 is minus 4 by 3. So slope means what? Tan theta equal to minus 4 by 3. Draw the figure in that way. Theta you take here left side. Like this means negative value here. So 4 minus 3. So from this tan theta is minus 4 by 3. This is obviously 5 na? So sin theta from here opposite by hypotenuse 4 by 5. Cos theta minus 3 by 5. Distance between them C1 C2 is equal to, that is equal to R. It's not R means not radius, dear students. What for I am calculating these values? This I want to get it h comma k, the required one. This given is x1 y1. To get these points by using parametric equation of the straight lines, we have formula in the symmetric form of the straight line. Parametric form. So from the directly I am writing h comma k equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. So x1, y1 as the first circle center, I want to get h comma k second circle center coordinates. The distance between them is 3 units. That's what I wrote, r is equal to 3. Cos theta, sin theta, C1, C2 related slope only I calculated now here. These are the sin theta, cos theta values. So x1 value 0 plus or minus r value 3. Cos theta value minus 3 by 5. Comma. Y1 value 0 plus or minus 3. 4 by 5. So which is equal to minus into plus or minus, it will become minus plus 9 by 5 plus or minus 12 by 5. So first minus is there, here plus is there. So first minus 9 by 5 comma first 12 by 5 will come, or next plus 9 by 5 minus 12 by 5. So the center of second circle may be minus 9 by 5 comma 12 by 5 or 9 by 5 comma minus 12 by 5. I hope you understand this is there in the first option, dear students. So we will meet with the next video in the next class, dear students. Till that time, I'll be ready with that help also from my side. For every 2 days, I will give that maximum the previous Eamcet TS questions. Some questions a little lengthy. You need to understand and practice. By practicing, whatever the length is there, it will be not the criteria, in my view. So you are able to do that. Thank you all for your support. Please do like. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra.